Flower beds were popular in the yards of abundant Romans. The Middle Ages, edit. The Middle Ages represent a period of decrease in gardens for aesthetic purposes. After the fall of Rome, gardening was provided for the function of growing medicinal herbs and/or embellishing church altars. Abbeys continued a tradition of garden style and intense horticultural techniques during the Middle Ages period in Europe. Private monasteries may likewise have had a green court, a plot of lawn and trees where horses could graze, in addition to a cellarer's garden or personal gardens for obedientiaries, monks who held specific posts within the monastery. Islamic gardens were constructed after the design of Persian gardens, and they were generally confined by walls and divided in 4 by watercourses. Particular to the Islamic gardens are the mosaics and glazed tiles used to decorate the rills and water fountains that were built in these gardens. By the late 13th century, rich Europeans began to grow gardens for leisure and for medicinal herbs and vegetables. They surrounded the gardens by walls to secure them from animals and to provide privacy. Fruit trees were common in these gardens, and likewise in some, there were grass seats. At the very same time, the gardens in the monasteries were a place to grow flowers and medical herbs, but they were likewise a space where the monks could enjoy nature and relax. The gardens in the 16th and 17th century were symmetric, proportioned and stabilized with a more classical look. Typically, gardens had flower beds laid out in squares and separated by gravel courses. Gardens in Renaissance were decorated with sculptures, topiary and water fountains. In the 17th century, knot gardens became popular together with the hedge mazes. By this time, Europeans started planting new flowers such as tulips, marigolds and sunflowers. One theory is that they emerged out of the Black Death of the 1340s, when the death of a lot of workers made land readily available for little homes with individual gardens. According to the late 19th century legend of origin, these gardens were originally developed by the employees that lived in the homes of the towns, to provide them with food and herbs, with flowers planted amongst them for decor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.